joining us. What is their background? What are the things that they are working, whether they are students or they're working for a company. So I think I can start. I can give a very short introduction, or maybe you guys know already. I'm Aditya Koranga, and I work for a small business in Singapore, and I'm part of OpenSSL and PQCA, and my work is mostly on the post-quantum cryptography migration and crypto inventory. So yeah, that's it. Shankar.
Yeah. Hey everyone, I'm Shankar and I'm the mentor of NgKore itself. I'm also working as a governing board member at Linux Foundation, and I work in a lot of domains, even though I'm not still clear what exactly I'm um, uh, expert in. But yeah, over to
Yeah,
anyone who would like to nominate. Let me then.
yeah,
Um, yeah, we'll start with Ronak.
Yeah, hi everyone. So I work as a research engineer at IAC for their open source project IOSMCN. And areas I work upon are SMO and REC.
Oh,
oh,
excellent.
okay. Since you mentioned iOS MCN, you guys are working with Sridhar then, I suppose.
Yeah, Aditya. Correct.
Uh, okay, perfect, perfect.
I have
Shankar,
interacted with Vineet also.
Uh, mhm.
okay. Shankar, you might have like done some previous meeting with those guys, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, yeah, good enough.
Good to have
And
him. Yeah.
yeah, and Ankit, would you like to say a few words? Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Anthony. Currently I'm in second. I'm currently third year student, and right now I'm learning AI and ML.
Mhm.
Okay, perfect. Nice. Christopher, I know Christopher. Christopher, would you give a very, very brief introduction?
Okay. Hi everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, perfect.
Yeah, sorry, I'm outside, but I'll quickly give a. So I'm a telco solution architect. So I specialize in Kubernetes telco workloads and also some of the advanced CNIs like Malthus and DPDK. And currently, I'm also switching to how to use AI to streamline some of these the operation and the design of those workloads. Thanks.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, so we in fact like followed a lot of your work regarding Open 5G's DPDK version and SRIV mode because you did create some videos. I remember those were like pretty good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
perfect.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thanks for joining. Thanks for joining, Ronak. Thanks for joining, Ankit. Thank you. Who else do we got? Khushi.
Hello everyone, I'm Khushi. I'm also a member of NgKore and I'm currently studying in University of Delhi and I'm working in open source via eBPF and Telco. So looking forward to greet and meet you guys.
Thanks, Khushi. Sharista is also there.
Hi everybody, my name is Sai Rishita Aditya, just to correct you. You can call me Rishita.
Rishi, that's fine. Yes.
Yeah, I'm a student at Geetam University, Hyderabad. I'm in second year and I am really interested in AI and ML.
Thank you for joining. And you mentioned Geetam, so I think last month probably we did one
Yeah,
virtual event.
yes.
Yeah, so a lot
That's
of
how
people
I
from
know
Geetam.
NG.
Yeah, perfect. So finally, these events are working. I think. Great. Satyam.
Hi everyone. I'm a student from University of Delhi and I mainly work on eBPF, but over the past months I've started working on AIML as well, and currently I'm looking for the suite intersection between eBPF and AI, where eBPF can, like enhance observability in AI systems and enhance their throughput and the sockets communication. So yeah, stuff like that I work on.
Thank you, thank you. And if anyone is interested in like directly talking to Satyam, or anyone interested in AI and eBPF, so I think Satyam is the right guy for you. We have Subham Jain. Subham Jain, would it be possible for you to just unmute yourself and okay, no worries. Maybe some mic issue. Shubham Kumar. Yeah, hi Shubham.
Hey everyone, hey Shankar, hey Aditya. So I'm Shivakumar. I'm currently mentor at one of the Linux Foundation project, and I'm also a part of NgKore team. And if you want any kind of help from me, I'm here to talk to you. And if you just want to say hi, I'm open to you. So thanks for everyone to join us.
Thank you. And like he mentioned mentorship, so Elephant provides some mentorship program, right? So Shivam is a mentor there, not a mentee. So if you guys also want to understand how LFX mentorship and how to become a mentee, so you can directly contact Shivam. Thank you, Shivam Jain. He just brief introduction. I'm working in Kubernetes, interested in ABPF. Thank you. So you are at the right place. I'll share my screen to just want to give an overview of the things that we were trying to do from past few days. In the last meeting, we didn't have much of the audience, so maybe I would repeat some of the points from the last event. Uh, one second. Okay, sure. So, so introduction part is done. The one thing that we are doing recently is like we are giving talks and attending some of the events. So the recent talk that we gave was at the Open SSL conference. uh, I, Shankar, Shubham and Kusi were there. We all have um, some of the talks. So there were three talks, and another talk that I gave. And when I say like I gave talk, it's like I was representing NgKore, and how my subject was related to NgKore and all the different things. So we attended, Shubham, me and Shankar and Kushi were at the OpenSSL conference. ACM CCS, I joined this one, and I represented NgKore and different OpenSSL. So ACM CCS is like a research paper event where all the like good research paper got selected. But I think unfortunately my paper was also selected. I don't know why. So I was there, and I'm making this research paper public because I got a lot of people who are interested in looking at this research paper. So I'll make it public and upload it through NgCore and Postman Cryptography Alliance. So just wanted to give a heads up, like what are the things beyond technical things like we are trying to do. And so yeah, so not only OpenSL and ACM, we did some representation in global engagement. So last week there was Gower event in Singapore, so that also we attended. It's like you know about IMC, so it's like 10 times better event than that. So it's like it was like one of the most premier event in Singapore for the overall Asia. So a lot of people were there. I want to tell you about some of the like a lot of things were not really that much interesting and very like not very unique. But the main thing that I found there was like all the companies that they were there were only talking about AI and security. That was one of the thing. And to be very honest, what a lot of companies what they were trying to do was they were SIEM tools. Let me share the whole tab. Okay, let me share the whole tab. Yeah. So you guys know the SIEME tools, right? Tools. So these are like the software that it's like do a lot of monitoring. It provides anomaly detection. So SIM is like a software that collects, aggregate, analyze security data. So most of the company in cybersecurity area have this, and I was really surprised, like what these some of the companies were trying to do was they were just creating another SIM tools. Sorry, they were just creating another SIM tools, and they were removing Splunk. So that was their market area, and I found some of the Chinese vendors. So a lot of Chinese vendors, what they are trying to do right now is like any good tool or software tool that is, or security tool that is running on the different companies or projects, their dedicated work is to remove all those projects and deploy something made in China one. So these SIM tools, those companies were just creating their SIM tools, nothing, just same related to Splunk. Splunk is another tool, you know. Uh, it's like Splunk is another tool. Yeah, SIM tool. So even the feature was exactly same. The what he was saying, like it is exactly same to Splunk. Only differentiating factor is it's made in China and the government is supporting us. So there were some. These are like the Chinese vendor that we are trying to do these sort of things. And another people were also there. They were doing something. They were they were making Splunk more enterprise. So later do a research what Splunk is. I think most of the people know here what Splunk is, and SIM tools is. It's basically security monitoring, anomaly detection tool. And this was one of the part. And there were a lot of AI related company. So it's like all I could say in their booth was a dashboard in which they were saying, okay, we are doing the analysis, we are trying to find vulnerabilities using AI. And the part is, all these companies, they had good money, because what they were saying, like, even we are not trying to create something unique. The market is very big, even if we don't have any differentiating factor, somehow we are getting the customers, and this customer engagement is more important. So in some way they were trying to create some uniqueness, even though most of the products were really same, all same. One company was there who were working on digital twin. They were creating a digital twin of whole infrastructure. That was something interesting. And the company that I work for, PQ Station, it's crypto inventory and PQC migration, that was also there. So just wanted to give an update of what this GovWare event and these marketing events, even though it's like technical, but it's mostly marketing. Then I visited, like, today the PKI consortium PQC conference. It's in Kuala Lumpur, so I'm in Kuala Lumpur. This was very this talk is 100% PQC related, which I think I'm very good at. So today all the things that they were talking about was, so there were different talks. I attended the crypto inventory talk, CBOM and all those things. So IBM guys were there. Michael was there, Michael Osborne. So his CBOM, like, I'll tell you what crypto inventory is. So you use cryptography to make your whole infrastructure or product secure. So crypto inventory is just nothing. It's like a list of those cryptographic tools. Let's say any encryption you're using, AES, RSA. So it's like a complete library or complete collection of those cryptographic assets. So uh, and there are the problem is that a lot of customers now, what the some of the players are trying to do is creating some uniqueness, and IBM was definitely doing it. IBM was creating their what they call, like, CBOM profile, cryptographic bill of material. And it was that CBOM profile was dedicated to different domains. Let's say your defense domain has a different cryptographic inventory tool. Your finance department, your telecom was one of the most important thing, and one of the major thing that they are doing for crypto inventory. So this was good. Another one was how to do PQC migration in telecom. So it was those PQTN guys, post quantum telecoordinator task force. And we did some NGCore panel discussion. So we were part of two OpenSL panel discussion in Prague. So that also went really well. And we I went to ACM CCS event, right, in Taiwan. So there's another open source community and project called Free 5GC. So they are doing, I mean, we initiated this, we're trying to do collaboration with them. We got good uh, feedback from them, so it's in progress. Once it become public, maybe I'll tell you all, so these were like all the like non-technical things that NGCore is trying to do. Although these talks are all technical, but some of the dedicated working group that we are working on is like, you guys remember the first talk, right? We are working on PQC, we are working on AI, we are working on EBPF, but like dedicatedly a lot of things are still remaining. But I'll give you a progress of what we are doing at on the PQCA group. So on the PQC group, we're using OpenSSL. OpenSSL is a cryptographic and TLS library. So we are making OpenSSL library fast using GPU-based PQC algorithms. There's CUPQC is there. Because as of now, OpenSSL is your like TLS library. I know some people are like very new to cybersecurity, but just have a look what TLS is. It's just like a way of securing your communication between two ends. It's just like in a very layman term. So OpenSSL is an TLS library. OpenSSL recently integrated post quantum cryptography uh, algorithms. So I think those PQC algorithm, if you compare those PQC algorithm with any other libraries, the performance is less comparatively. It's slow. So using this GPU, now we are trying to accelerate the algorithm and making this OpenSSL fast. So Mega is working on this. He's also a master student. The work is in progress. It's going good. This is the repository. I think the code is still not there. Maybe this week. Last week I told that we would have this code by next week, but it's taking a bit time. We're doing some tests. So first I think first code would be stable enough to run, you know and I'm working on a GPU based PQC library for telecom AI RAN. That block is done. It's just getting reviewed by some of the other parties that we are working on. And this was some of the thing that we were trying to do, libSSL with eBPF. I think this idea was pitched by Satyam. So Satyam, I think there's no like usually direct any action item on this, right? It was just like an idea.
Yeah, also running agent site, if you count it as an action item, so that's actually done.
Oh, this one or which one?
It's actually like this is the idea of hooking onto libSSL, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so they do the same stuff. They hook
Ah.
onto libSSL dynamically.
Oh, by they you mean libSSL guys?
No, no, agent site.
Okay, so we are not doing this. This is already done. You saying
Yeah, could you just repeat the idea behind this?
this libSSL with eBPF?
Yeah, yeah.
I think in last meeting only I think you suggested this idea that when we use libSSL library on the hook points, we can integrate eBPF. So I think it was just a point of discussion, I think, and maybe I misinterpreted as an action item.
Okay, so if the idea was like using this to monitor and feed metrics to the crypto inventory, so then this could count as an action item.
Okay.
So we had a discussion, right, where for getting items for the crypto inventory, we would use eBPF.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can maybe use for tracing the libSSL algorithms, we can do it with eBPF.
Oh, okay. And how much of a big task it is?
It's not big actually. It's just now at the point of testing. Like you can just give me some application. I'll
Mm-hmm.
run some tests on it and see how much traceability we are getting into that.
Mm-hmm.
Also, regarding like maybe we can hook onto some symbols and get data for the kind of algorithm run behind it. So the concept of OQS provider that we were discussing recently, you can get get data on what kind of algorithm is being run with that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Also, if there is some symbol or some data that we can get on the version and some information mapped to it about how many algorithms are supported for that version. So, yeah, that also might help when we are looking into the OQS provider.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you don't know, we are also trying to contribute to OQS provider. So OQS, OQS GitHub. Yeah. So OQS is Open Quantum Safe project in which they do like PQC migration and how to use this post quantum algorithms in OpenSSL. So Satyam is trying to contribute there, and yeah, let's see where it goes. Okay, perfect. On PQ Proto, Shubham, do you have any updates or just like whatever it's going on this? You can maybe give a brief overview about it.
Yeah, not now. I'm currently working on the constant time and
Okay.
some other things, so not on that part.
Oh, okay. Yeah, are you working on constant time one? Yes.
Yeah, this
So
the first
is there
part
any
is has
update on constant?
completed.
The
Yeah,
first part
the
is
first part
done.
is yes, and the second part is on the way.
Second part ongoing. Okay.
Hmm.
And what can you explain first part and second part? Like what do you mean by it?
So in the first part, like I have explained what is constant time and use some of the research materials from different websites, like what is it, how it started, and what are currently things going on this particular area of constant time and everything about it on the basic layman terms. In the second part, it is going to be on a real project, which is again LibOQS, how they implemented, how they tested the constant time implementation of their project, and I will give you a brief introduction about like how they are doing with different algorithms to test whether they are constant time or not. I'm not sure about the
Oh,
third
perfect.
part. The third part I'm thinking of OpenSL, but it will be on a long run. So
Potentially third part,
mm,
but
I read a article
maybe
on the
maybe in,
constant time implementation on the OpenSL. So that may be another part.
yeah. And you also see the presentation, Shubham, slides.
Yeah, true. That's why.
Okay. Yes. So guys, just for like a background information, OpenSL conference was there. So there were like a lot of speakers, and if you are interested in like looking at what they presented, so you also have their PDFs and all. Yep. One second. Yes. Okay. There's oh no, agenda. Uh, it's not working. Let's just have a look. I'll paste it on the chat. Yeah. Thanks. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, Adi, you.
Yes, you are.
Thanks. Uh, and so this is what we are doing on PQC working group. Like I think it's very, it's not everyone is able to understand, but later I'll give a very I'll try to give a good explanation on this. With the AI working group, the things that we're working on is right now. Yeah. So the first thing was new students joined us, uh, Rishita and Ankit. Uh, right, Ankit and another guy was there. They've joined AI working group. They are like right now they are trying to like do more research and which place is um, which place is best for them and what is their interest and all. So right now they are exploring, and maybe if they have something on this meeting or next meeting, they can definitely discuss. Regarding the blog series, so you can see we recently published 7 blogs. You can find it on your NgKore blogs documentation. NgKore documentation. Some of the blogs are like missing because there was some last night there was some problem with the pipe workflow. So these are some of the blogs you can definitely have a look. So these one is like hardware setup. If you don't know, please read that blog, and how to do like grok to on-prem deployment. So these are all deployment related part, and these 3 blogs are like more learning basis, how you can use AI tools in your Kubernetes environment to do the monitoring and do the analysis, try to find the problem and then do the remediations. So it's sort of that areas. Is second one is like how the RAG was not working perfectly because there was some issue with the Kubernetes environment. So this was like it was then sorted out using this tool called Quen. So please have a look. It's like an AI tool, and yeah.
Also, there was another blog regarding that LLMs are more vulnerable right now for that data poisoning stuff. So, do
Okay.
we add it into AI itself, or like we have a separate section for it, like AI security?
And who wrote that one?
Yeah,
Uh,
me.
Okay, you wrote this. Okay, let me add it.
yeah, that one. I guess the Medium server was down, so I haven't added it to the docs.
Yeah, yeah. Medium server is still down.
It's
I
not
mean,
really.
their
I was
DNS problem. DNS. Yeah. What was the title of it?
uh, wait, just a second. Mm, you can say large language models remain poisonable at scale.
Model. Sorry. Then
Remain poisonable at scale.
poison. Sorry. Model.
Now I can see why the Medium server was not working.
So
Yeah.
this was actually the idea. Like before, researchers used to think that if you're making a really large model and you have a lot of data sets in it, it will be hard to like data poison it. So data poisoning is basically feeding some kind of data that makes an AI behave in a particular way that it's not intended to. So this data can be like mistakenly fed also, or some attacker might have intentionally fed that database into your AI system. So it was later discovered that there is just a constant amount of data that you have to feed, and irrespective of the size of your language models, it will get poisoned. So that was something around 250 files. That's not so much. So yeah, that
Mm-hmm.
was a great breakthrough recently.
Oh, nice, nice. So you are providing any like remediation on this, or just explaining the problem on this blog?
Yeah, remediation is actually quite complex and it might go into a bit depth, so that cannot be covered in this blog itself. I've just mentioned some strategies, but they don't in depth explain how you can implement those.
Yeah. And Shivang, could you explain like just a brief explanation of your these existing blogs, so that like audience can understand a little bit?
Okay, this is mainly focused on the AI factory part. So with the AI factory, what I mean is you are deploying all your models locally and handling the real-time user load, and just like your chat GPT, we can say on-prem chat GPT. So the first one is Grok to deployment, which is from XAI, and the second one is K2 Think, which is from MBZUI, which is Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence in Abu Dhabi. And the third one is not mine, I think. This is from Satyam or
Harvard. your harbor setup on, is this yours?
Yes, the harbor setup is mine. Yes.
Okay.
So this is basically a solution to the problem that we generally face on on-prem deployments. Like your deployments are fetching the same images again and again and eating your bandwidth. So setting up a harbor setup will help you and save your bandwidth, and especially it will increase your decrease your deployment times. So that's a part.
Yeah, thank you. And all these blogs are already done, so you guys can have a look. These are like, in fact, like real-time deployments that they have done, but they are now writing it in a blog format. Yeah. So if anyone has any question, then please feel free to ask him.
And for those who don't know, Shivang is our DevOps guy. He work in NgKore and he mainly do all this DevOps stuff, those crazy things. So it's just a short intro about him.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you
he
so
was.
much for the interview. I mean, introduction. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Is Wafi here in the meeting? Because he was in conversation with some of the universities in Dubai
Yeah,
regarding
just give me
N8.
1 second.
Yeah. Yeah, by that time, NgKore, yeah, there were some Reddit guys which were like, I think, interested in doing some collaboration with NgKore. Shankar, did you send any email to those guys?
Yeah, I've sent them in message, but I haven't
Okay.
got any response yet. We'll send them a follow-up message soon. But I guess
Okay.
we'll get reply by next month most probably because this month they are in the brag itself. So
Oh,
yeah, we'll do that by uh, next week, maybe next to
mm.
next. Yeah.
And this Shubham, did you reach out to these NIST guys?
Yes, Aditya, and we probably have a meet soon. We are having
Okay,
like
okay.
conversation right now. Yeah.
Ha- Having conversation, yes, ongoing conversation. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah. So yeah, Wafi. Thanks.
Yeah. So no, I just wanted to update you guys that we took a section on behalf of NGK, and we have already took 2 sessions. One was for AI only for I just don't know how to pronounce it correctly. It's Xiamen University from China. We took 1 session for them. 1 session we took for multiple MBA students in India, which was for NA10. Both of these were focused on AI only. And like in their daily use, how to they were MBA students, so just automating their business related tasks, and that was about it. So if there's any updates from that front, I'll just post it on the group, or we can post it on LinkedIn.
Yeah, but I'm really happy that now you're also covering students from other countries and providing them like guidance to AI. So that is
Yeah.
great. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, I think last time we there was some email scheduling problem from NGCore side, so that's why the email didn't reach out to everyone. I suppose this time was it got to everyone because I also received that one. So I think Shankar, this is done, right?
Yeah, this is
So and NGCode blogs to be updated on NGCode documentation. This is I think also done.
yeah, this is also done. And some blogs are pending, and we'll update them as soon as we post them on the doc server itself.
Okay.
Mm. And also, apart from this, there is a event. I just want to mention it's Open Source India. It's happening from 5th of November to 6th of November in Bangalore itself. So if you are nearby or want to join, on that event, then I mean, you can get your ticket for free. I will share the link here. So if you want to join that event, NG Core is also taking part in that event, and we will be giving a session on like obviously about like what NgKore is and how we can contribute into this and all those things. So yeah, just I will just paste the link in the chat. You can get your tickets and visit there if you want to.
Yeah. By the way, these are like free tickets, right?
Yeah, these are free tickets.
Okay. Yeah.
Me,
Please go ahead.
Adi, and Shubham, we will not be there because it's far from here, and I'm also busy in a few of the things. But one of the members from NgKore named Khaja will be there, who will be presenting all these things. So you can interact with them and uh, enjoy the event as
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect.
well.
Yeah. So I think any other point that I missed, because then after that I have to do some discussion with all the attendees. So if there is anything like any next action item or anything that we missed or any questions regarding the ongoing points.
We are good to go, I guess.
Yeah. Satyam, do you have any question on PQC part? Any question, any feedback?
No, no, it's going good.
Yeah, because last time you asked about the code, right? I couldn't do like I couldn't like I was a bit busy this week and last week. So maybe next week by the next meeting that we have, we will definitely have some source code.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
that's all right.
yeah. So so this was like very only we guys were talking all those things. Now what I want is like now I think what we can do is like because it's really tough for everyone to understand whatever like because we are talking a lot of things, you know. So should it be like a good thing that we create some dedicated meetings for different working groups, you know? I mean, it's not necessarily like if there's no updates on particular group, so it's taking slow procedure, so maybe we can like skip some of the meetings for them. But let's say if there are some people who are dedicatedly working on AI ML and want to know only about that part, you know, we can do their separate meetings, and in the tag meeting then later on we can join everyone and ask or just take the updates and ask the ongoing progress. What do you guys think? It's too
Yeah,
much for
I think
initial time.
so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. That would be good. But I am not sure on how many working groups would be made. As of now, I think so. One would be around security, and the other one would be around AI mostly.
Yes, one would be around security, and yes, and by security it's like basically PQC and cryptographic related things. So that we can do. I think what I meant by like working group and session, it's like we can try to set up an open let's say open stand up, you know. We'll select a date or day, let's say on Wednesday you want to do a meeting at 7 p.m. We just you just go through that link, open it, and just like a stand up everyone can join who have any doubts and if there are any progress, so those guys can come. So I suppose like Rishita, Satyam, and since Ankit, these guys were like interested on this. Uh, Sorry if I'm forgetting some name. So you guys can like do stand-up meetings in which you can ask the questions and see the next progress. Right? Is that okay? Because I mean, it's not necessary to join, but what OpenSSL guys do every day, we don't need to do every day. Is like they host open stand-up hours. You know, anyone can join if they have any questions. They can ask at the time, and within the half-hour slot or 1 hour slot, meeting would be ended. So you just go freely. You ask, you say hi, and all those things. So for right now, we can do this for AI and uh, PQC or cryptography group. Yeah, how does that sound?
Fine by me.
Yeah. So maybe can you guys like all the people? Can you guys tell me who are like interested in AI and would like to know and understand about it? Rishta and I think, yeah, Rishita is there, and Akhil is there. Yeah, Akhil. I sorry, I forgot your name. You joined late, I think. So Akhil and Ankit and Shubham Jain is also there. So Satyam, can you decide a day and let's discuss everyone which day is perfect and which is very flexible for you to join, and then we can start the like next steps. And I will also join that meeting. No worries, you know.
How about Saturday?
On weekends. I mean, it's fine to me. What about these guys?
Yeah, that's it. If you're fine with it, just say so, or we could choose some other day.
Because not everyone, I think, would be flexible with weekend, but I am. I don't mind. Yes, Shubham is fine. What about?
Shankar, or maybe you can start a poll in the metrics so that everyone gets know to.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
please.
can.
And guys, please be more active on Matrix server. These server and these tech meetings are we doing recently only, so we don't exactly know what is the perfect format, and so in between, if you're not able to understand anything, so please don't mind that much. Yeah. Okay, so I think everyone is fine. We can probably do on Saturday, but then that's like then only for, even for Shankar, just make a poll there, Shankar,
Mhm.
and we can if Saturday is fine, we can decide a time.
Perfect.
Yeah. And yeah, and is there anyone who is interested on PQC cryptography related stuff? Okay, Satyam and I can have, and I can also call. Yeah, Shubham is also there. Wafi is also there, and I'll also Ankit is also there. I'll also call my sister Mega for those meetings. You know, so I think AI and cryptography we can do. Uh, is eBPF necessary at this moment, at this period of time?
No,
Up to
we
you
can
guys.
later on go and talk about it. For starters, let's get familiar more with the story around PQC.
Okay, okay. Are we all allowed to eat? Yeah, please, please, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
please, please.
Anyone
All
from
like,
any working group can come and have a meet with any working group. So it's currently open to all. It's just that we are trying to get to know the people who are like have decided now itself that they want to work over here or there.
yeah. And the good thing about open stand up hours is like it's open, as the name suggests, open for everyone. You know. And I think the one Ronak was there. I from IISc. He was also interested in doing things around ORAN, RIC, and other things. And Shankar is also working on RAN, non-terrestrial network. You know, so Shankar and Ronak, you guys can probably have a discussion one on one after this meeting or tomorrow, but on a very brief way. What I'll try to understand, I'll try to make you understand what we have done so far. If you go through, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Yeah, so I'm sharing my screen. One second. Yeah, in telecom, I think most of the work we have done till now is it's telecom specific only. So we have done RAN slicing. I think you might know about this. We have done some end-to-end charm RAN stack deployment. 7.2 deployment we have done. At that time we had a lot of hardwares. Currently we don't have much hardware support. That's why we're not pursuing a lot of things in ORAN, to be very honest. And otherwise these are like QA production, UAV path production in ORAN, end-to-end deployment, layer 1, layer 2 integration, and how to make it all the deployments we have done. you know if there is something you would like to do, please let us know. I think Shubham and Shankar can help you with this, but in a sort of way. we're not dedicatedly working on ORN at this point because we don't have hardware support that much. So a lot of things you guys would have to like take the responsibility on ORN part, like what to do and what not to do. And Shankar, are you doing something on NTN?
Yeah, I'm working on it. Soon we'll be releasing a deployment guide video on how we can run NTN with OA and all those things.
Sorry to interrupt, like Aditya. Like one thing I had, like so if we don't have hardware support, like these simulators, like PyNTs and all, using those, like which act as a DU or RU simulators only, we can use those data for the like I am using out here.
Definitely, definitely, of course. We can do this.
So with
Just
that,
I
if
was just
you
giving
people
a
can like,
information. Uh-huh. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Please finish the sentence. Sorry, sorry to interrupt.
no, you can. I was just saying like out here, like right now, the new thing on Oran, like I am working on is RIC on certain R apps and X apps. So I would say like if I can carry forward those things like out here, if
Yes.
you people are interested, if Shankar and someone out there in team, like I would love to learn about NTN too. I have less knowledge about it.
No, that's
Yeah.
totally fine. I mean, that's what we usually do, right? That's how we started with simulators and all those things, and that's totally fine. That's we what we'll be doing so far because Aditya was just mentioning that we do not have hardware right now because in early days, like a year back, we usually used to do a lot of testing on with physical infra, right? So, but yeah, we can do with simulators for sure. That's
Okay.
completely fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That was the idea because we started a lot of things from simulator only. Then we migrated to hardwares, and now in order to do the testing, we will definitely go with the simulator one. That was just the background information I was telling. So, Shankar and Shubham, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, Aditya. So, Ronak, so can you tell me a little bit brief about like what are you are doing in the red side? Like you are testing accepts and RS from the OSC open source projects or what?
So yeah, both for OSC also, and currently we also worked upon few RAPs like UEM and load balancing RAP at IASC.
Okay.
So we tried to integrate that with the available ONAP OSC non-RT and similarly a handover XApp also like F1 handover XApp
Hmm.
which has been integrated to the OSC near RT only, which is Docker based.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the one of the POC we did. So that's a load balancing POC which we showcased last two few months back in F2F of OSC.
Sorry, I just missed the
Face to
last
face
part. What
meeting which
did you
happened
say?
of OSC in Paris few months back.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
Oran
that's
SC.
great. Yeah.
Yeah, recently UNH, you aware about it? Or
Yeah,
not? Yeah,
yeah.
so had this workshop kind of thing, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Did you attended that one as well?
No, I am not. I am not. So
Okay,
I collaboratively work with Sridhar, like Aditya mentioned in starting.
got it. Right,
Mhm. But by
that's
the way,
good.
do you guys also attend the OEI meeting?
Yeah, we attend. So OAI is like we work closely with OAI, mainly Sagar Arora, if you are aware about.
Oh,
Yeah,
you work in
Hmm.
Sagar.
Yeah,
that's
Sagar and for Rick part like Emplane and what all these upper stream we working with Theodra out there.
Oh,
mhm.
Theodora. Okay. Yeah. And this is what we can push forward, Shubham and Shankar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely. I mean,
Yes, sir.
see Aditya, if you're having a talk with Sridhar, like ever you had, like so you can talk about having this carry forward with IOSMCN too, which is at IISc.
Yeah.
So it's
Yes. Yes.
also a kind of a open source only, a common.
Yeah.
yeah,
Moment back then.
Sorry, Ronak, to interrupt. So iOS MCM, like what is?
iOS MCN. It's a Indian open source
Okay,
mobile communication network. Yeah.
okay, it is based on Ether, right? What
It's
I
kind of
heard.
a consortium of IIT Delhi, IISc, and CDAC, Trivandrum.
Okay. So, what I understand, like what I know till now, so this project contained the 5G core and the RAN part. It has also rig part also. I mean, like,
Yeah, it contains both like distributed RAN and traditional RAN, and it has SMO
hmm?
rig too,
Oh, okay. New to
and
me.
that also SMO for both RAN and core.
Right.
SMO for RAN and core.
Uh,
Okay.
so difference is like for RAN, the SMO which we are using is a ONAP of OSC only, and
Yeah.
for the core which we are using is SD core,
Mhm.
and the SMO which is developed by CDAC Trivandrum, it's unified dashboard which they have only developed for core.
Okay, great. What I understand, Ronak, so SMO did not have any role in the core side. So can you explain a little bit more about it?
No, no, SMO had rules. So to make it more unified, like on a single dashboard, you don't have to depend on example that data. Like we are using a code base of OAI for the
Hmm.
base purposes. So in OAI, the data which is pushed by the RAN, it comes in the form of XML only. And for
Okay.
the OSC purposes, they don't accept the XML data. So for different like containers out there in SMO which are available in OSC, like you for XML to JSON converters, you have to use Red Panda. You have a MinioDB databases there where it gets stored, and for visualization they are using InfluxDB, and from InfluxDB they are fetching the data for the rig purposes to analyze the data and then make a certain kind of policies for our app and send it to X app.
Oh, great, Ronak. I don't know about it, so I will
How
explore it more. But
Yeah,
that's great.
and Ronak, how about we held a like one-to-one meeting in so that we can discuss?
yeah,
Yeah,
I would be happy to. Yeah, yeah.
lovely. Yeah, we can discuss things
Yeah,
in more detail. Yeah.
Shankar.
Yeah, I would be happy to explain in detail. Yeah, not an issue.
Yes, perfect.
That's
So I
great.
think I'll type it down on the document. Like we have to create dedicated meetings for first of all AI and cryptography, PQC
I
or
think so.
cryptography.
We need a telecom working group as well.
Yes, okay. And Shankar would be working on that part, right? Shankar, telecom area.
Yeah, I mean, me, Shubham, Ronak, and if anyone else is interested, then they can also.
Okay,
Yeah.
done. Perfect. So let's do this only. Let's because this was like very mix of different technical terms. I understand. Like from different working group, we are trying to bring some points. Now we will have some dedicated sessions so that you don't get to like get information about different. Of course, you can get, but I don't want to like mix match all the stuff in a single meeting. Everything would go above that. So let's have a dedicated meeting. Let's do a poll on element only. Please be active there because we post a lot of things there, not a lot of things, but post some uh, informative links and other things. So just let's do
Yeah.
a polling there and try to find out a very good time slot for AI working group, PKC working group, and telecom working group. And once we do this, we can do like weekly or bi-weekly meetings, and then we can bring all the inputs from these working groups on a tech meeting. So let's do this.
And please do let me know if you are not a part of Matrix itself. I will send you an invitation. ASAP.
Yeah, and if there are any friends who wants to join NGCore as well, feel free. Yeah. Yeah.
Just kidding.
So I
Okay,
think
you
next
you just share the link here. Maybe if someone wants to follow.
the element one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Shankar, can you send it? And next tech meeting is on like what is it? Tuesday, 11th November. So before that, let's try to do some working group meetings as well.
Yeah, sure. That sounds great.
Yeah, sorry, my internet is a bit slow today, so
And
I
one
had.
more mention is that um, obviously, like in the last meeting and today's meeting, we talked about a lot of things, a lot of blogs and all those things in conferences. And if you guys are attending some conferences and you want to represent NgKore or something like open source, or you want to write a blog on AI or PQC or eBPF or anything you want to, right? You can obviously let us know and we can add that to the NgKore docs as well. We'd love to do that. So please do let us know. And it's not about like we are the only one doing all those things. It's about the whole community. And now you are also part of NgCore itself.
Yes. And if there is any conference where you want to also go as a speaker, just let us know. Maybe we can do something around it.
And yeah, again, you can attend that Open India Summit, Open Source India, right? So that is happening 5th of November to 6th of November, right? So yeah, that's it from my side. Otherwise, yeah, I will invite Shubham as well to the element.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll send you an invitation. Sure. Okay, thank you guys. Now I'll probably watch One Punch Man season 3. So bye bye. Take care.
Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Have a great day, guys. Bye. See ya.
Uh, just to mention, our next tech will be on 11th of November, I believe, and we'll share the reminder on the element itself. So yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Shankar.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.